Aloha, namaste. This is Renee Tillotson from Still and Living Center, here to invite you to our 10th annual Diwali Festival of Light celebration, which we adore celebrating every year. This year, even more of you get to join us because we're doing it online. We see the depth of this tale, and we also see the universality, and we manage to insert a bit of humor. Still and Moving Center offers many, many different movement forms from around the world, so we include them in our telling of the tale. You will find hula from Hawaii, you'll find Afro-fusion dancing, Turkish belly dancing, a bit of tap, and even, of course, Bollywood from India. This is going to happen this very Saturday. It's happening here in Honolulu at 4:30 p.m. If you're on the Pacific Coast, it will happen at 6:30 p.m. and East Coast is 9:30 p.m. You'll be in the next day on the 15th if you're watching us from India, and it will be at 8 a.m. And down under, if you're in Australia, it will be at 1 p.m. Sunday the 15th. Wherever in the world you're joining us from, we look forward to you being with us for this wonderful celebration of light. And you can find us at stillandmovingcenter.com. Thank you.